Good morning to everyone who have joined this meeting. We are happy to share
Your potential is endless.
Good morning. A warm welcome to all my diabetic children, champions, diachamps, and their support team, which includes parents at home, friends in school, caretakers in school, and the healthcare providers, doctors, nursing staff, and other paramedical staff who have joined on behalf of the diabetic family, DiaChamps India. I welcome all on behalf of DiaChamps India again. Also, I have got special people who are supporting us sitting at home. We are able to connect and share few things on the occasion of World Diabetes Day, which was performed in various places in their own capacities by creating an awareness about preventing diabetes and leading a happy life with diabetes with various themes that was celebrated on November 14th. Because of Deepavali festival and other reasons, we DiaChamps India decided that we will be celebrating this along with our monthly peer support group meeting, which we conduct every month last Sunday 9:30 to 11. As we all know, this peer support group meeting idea, which was given by our great teachers, was implemented in the beginning to say one child in Haridwar, one child in America, St. Louis, and that idea was propagated to various people. Getting connected because we are same, because we have type 1 diabetes. That was the idea. So with that idea, now the journey of 10 years has connected more than 300 diabetic children, which includes some adults and even some who got married and leading a happy life. So more than 300 type 1, type 2 and few gestational diabetes, all of these people have become one family. The concept of fighting together, which was dreamt long back by our teachers, now has become a dream come true. So in this journey of 10 years, we are able to sit at home and connect with each other with the help of special people, SERIMED, Research for Integrated Medicine. As you know, our host, Shri Anirban Datta, who beautifully played good music and setting the platform ready, and we are all ready for a great occasion to witness, to experience the joy of being a role model type 1 diabetic. The core is, the epitome is diabetes self-management education. As we keep on saying, type 1 diabetes is like an accident where body has failed to produce insulin. And Swami Vivekananda says, face the brute, don't run away. So if you have the power within to face, you are greatly inspired and you got that strength to face. I welcome the team from AIMS Rishikesh, team from CMC Vellore, the prestigious medical college in India, KLE Belgaum, and our very dear friend Dr. Mahesh, who is a practicing endocrinologist at Bangalore. The team from AIMS Rishikesh is led by Professor Ravi Kanji, who is the head of the department medicine, professor in medicine, and also head of the department in medicine, metabolism disorders. And the team from CMC Vellore is led by Dr. Asha, who is a renowned, well-known endocrinologist. And the team from KLE Belgaum is led by Dr. Sujata Jali and Dr. Manohar Jali, who have special interest in diabetes. So, I welcome all AIMS Rishikesh, Ramakrishna Mission Haridwar and our family here, CMC Vellore and the team there, KLE Belgaum and Mahesh DM from Bangalore, to commemorate today's program by witnessing the great, inspiring activities by our Dia champs. Come, let us be focused, sit in one place, put on your videos, but please mute your mic unless you are asked to speak. With this brief introduction and few requests, I hand over the mic to Anirban Datta to conduct the program. Namaskar.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thanks a lot. I think what I have done is I have made few people as co-host. That is Dr. Asha, Madam Ruth, Dr. Mahesh. They are co-hosts now. If you want to speak, you can unmute and you can speak. As Swamiji said that if you unmute, then there could be some background noise. So you can keep it muted. But when your opportunity comes, you can always unmute. So you don't have any restriction in muting and unmuting, both, like your videos as well as audios. Whereas the other audios are muted now. Until and unless there is a specific request, I will not unmute those videos. So this is the way the whole program will be conducted. So now I am going to share my screen once again, and I'm going to share those performances, those wonderful performances which Swamiji mentioned. By the children, by the young adults of having type 1 diabetes. And this is an amazing inspiration. I was making this video the entire night yesterday. And I can tell you that it is so inspiring for a person like me who knows other disabilities, but not type 1 diabetes. Swamiji knows that I work with people with autism. I know that disability, but this is also a very, very challenging one. And how people are coping up with it, that is an amazing part of the journey, which we'll share in the next half an hour. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy these performances.
Good morning to everyone who have joined this meeting. We are happy to share with you the new look and feel of Dia Champs India, a unique platform created to support the people with diabetes.
Your potential is endless.
I now introduce this organization which Swamiji mentioned, which is behind this particular putting this particular program together, and going forward it will be supporting the platform to become even bigger and bigger. And as it is said that more people joining in, more ideas, more new thoughts, more motivation for the people who are afflicted. So this is the story of CERIMED, which I'm going to share with you. CERIMED, the full form is Center for Research in Integrated Medicine. Visit CERIMED website and log into their Facebook page, cerimed.in, Facebook group, and become a member of the Facebook group so that you can get a lot of information about the way in which integrated medicine is deployed for human good. And also look at the YouTube channel for these videos, which will be uploaded as soon as this program is over. So we have helpline numbers, which are again very voluntary in nature. They support the platform. And these are the helpline numbers. So you can note it down, or you can connect with us later on. You can write to me. You can talk to Swamiji. You can. So these are the helpline numbers for any information you need on any subject which you have in mind regarding this platform. You can connect with them and you will get your responses. These helpline numbers are also available on WhatsApp. So you can take a note of it. I'll play this once again towards the end so that you can note these helpline numbers and you can call them in case you need any support, any help, any information you need. So these are the presentations to commemorate the World Diabetes Day. So I will begin with the star of today's performance. This was the first video which I got yesterday, and I was overwhelmed by this video. So have a look. We will now have Prakriti, class 9, 14 years, and look at what she has for us.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्ते। मेरा नाम प्रकृति है, मैं देहरादून से हूँ और मुझे पिछले 8 साल से डायबिटीज़ है। मैं आज आपको डायबिटीज़ के लिए कुछ योगा आसन करके बताऊंगी। सबसे पहला है मंडूकासन। इसमें हमें सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे जाना है और सांस लेते हुए ऊपर आना है। अंत में मैं यह कहना चाहूँगी कि हमें रोज़ाना व्यायाम करना चाहिए ताकि हम स्वस्थ रहें और हम अपनी मधुमेह को हरा सकें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Amazing it was. So now we move to Kriti, who is age 16 years of age, and she is type 1 diabetic for the last 6 months. She studies in class 10. Look what she has for us.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kirti Bhatia. I am 16 years old and I have diabetes from past 6 months.
I'm sorry there. I tried to make the screen better.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kirti Bhatia. I am 16 years old and I have diabetes from past 6 months. My hobbies is dancing and I am going to present a dance video in front of you all. Thank you.
पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग, जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी। मेरा जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग, छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना, छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा मखना, छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना, छोड़ा ही घर।
Fantastic. Now we move to Siddhi, who is also 11 years of age, and she is type 1 diabetic for the last 6 months. She is also an amazing dancer. That's what I discovered yesterday.
Hello all of you. My name is Siddhi. I am in class 5th.
I am 11 years old. I am diabetes from last 6 months. मैं डांस रोज करती हूँ और उससे मेरी ब्लड शुगर भी नॉर्मल रहती है और डांस इज माई हॉबी। तो जब मेरे को डायबिटीज़ हुई थी तब मेरे को थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता था। अब नाउ आई फील वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट। तो आप सबके लिए मैंने एक डांस प्रिपेयर किया, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
Thank you very much, Siddhi. That was amazing. Kathak is my favorite dance form, and you do it amazingly. Now we have Arna, who is 8 years old, and she is also type 1 diabetic for the last 2.5 years. But look at her spirit and look at her, enthusiasm.
Hello everyone, I am Arna Pundi. I study at class 30 at Greenway Modern Senior Secondary School. मैं 8 साल की हूँ और मुझे 2.5 साल जब मैं थी तब से मुझे डायबिटीज़ है। और फिर जब मैं डायबिटिक थी तो मुझे यूराइन इन्फेक्शन हुआ। फिर जब टेस्ट किया तो पता चला कि मैं डायबिटिक पेशेंट हूँ। और फिर तब से मम्मा मेरी डायबिटिक केयर टेकर है और अब तक है। और अब मैं फिर इंजेक्शन लगाने लगी हूँ। और वैसे मेरी हॉबीज़ हैं डांस, रीडिंग एट्सेट्रा। लेकिन आज मैं आपको एक छोटा सा डांस करके दिखाने वाली हूँ। मैया यशोदा, ये तेरा कन्हैया, मैया यशोदा, ये तेरा कन्हैया, बचपन से मेरी पकड़े है मैया, संग मुझे करता है, संग मेरे लड़ता है। राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची, राम जी की कृपा
So that was Arna. Now look who we have next. We have Vishika. She's 12 years old. And she's going to do an amazing yoga combination for us.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम विशिका है। मैं 12 साल की हूँ। मुझे 6 साल से डायबिटीज़ है। मैं डेली योगा करती हूँ, उससे मेरी शुगर भी मेंटेन रहती है। इसलिए हम सबको डेली योगा करनी चाहिए, उससे हमारी शुगर भी मेंटेन रहती है और हम फिट भी रहते हैं। पहला आसन, गरुड़ासन। एक गदा सिकंदासन।
Thank you, young lady. Thanks a lot. My request is that kindly don't annotate on the screen. It disturbs the whole proceedings. So, kindly if you could avoid doing it, because Zoom allows you to annotate. There are a lot of rights we are given, but then we do also have duties. So kindly remember that. So Kindly don't annotate on the screen, please. So now whom we have? We have Kruti, who is 7 years old, and she is type 1 diabetic for the last 5.5 years, and she has done some fantastic paintings. So there's a collage of paintings, of her paintings, set in a backdrop. So look at her paintings. Thank you, Kruti. So now I would invite Madam Ruth Volena to talk about this particular activity and event which happened on 13th of November at Christian Medical College, CMC Vellore. So Madam Ruth, can you unmute? I have made you the co-host, so you can unmute and you can speak on this particular set of slides which you had sent to me. I put them in order in the next set of slides. It is to you now, Madam Ruth. Can you put your mic little higher, ma'am? Is it okay? Everybody can hear? Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Good morning, everybody. We as a team of Christian Medical
Madam, little volume. You have to tell loudly and keep your mic near.
Mic close to you. Yeah. I don't know what is happening.
Hello, Ruth Volena, we are not able to hear you. Yeah, now it's good.
Now it is better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. We a team of a diabetes team from Christian Medical College. For the World Diabetes Day, we conducted various competitions. So we had poster and slogan competition on the 13th November 2020. So we had various next slide, please.
Yeah.
So the theme for the poster we gave us the nurse and the diabetes, and this is the theme for the World Diabetes Day this year 2020. So we had various inputs from our staffs, students from our CMC hospital. Can I have the next slide, please? So we had a total of 80 participants, and it was a very good challenge to see a lot of posters displayed. We had Dr. Gopinath as a professor in geriatric, and Mrs. Diana David were the judges for the event.
Madam Ruth, I have given you the control. You can change the slides.
Yeah.
Is it happening or should I do it? Yes, it is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Just we are just displaying the few posters which won the prizes, and this poster was really nice. It depicted the entire role of a nurse, what all the nurse is uh, managed with, and the nurse takes the role of carrying the patients. She identifies the risk factors, and this poster shows the interpretation of A1C values. It is given in the down, and with the degree of glycemic control. Also, the spectrum of diabetes related complications have been presented in a lucid style in this poster. Okay, this slide, even in the midst of our COVID, we nurses did a major role. So, can I have this slide on? So, this is a very highlight poster. So, you can see there's a boat there and a man sitting over there, and there's a small tiny hole down. So, actually, this depicts a non-compliant patient. So, the nurse is depicted as an octopus. So, she with the different roles, she takes care of the patient. She tries to give good education, control all the risk factors, and thereby she prevents the patient from drowning, or there is a DKA and HHNS sharks which are ready to swallow the man. But she, with her good education, tries to stop the hole so that the man is saved. And mostly in most of our patients that we see, at least 20 to 30% they fall into this casual sort of casual type of patients who don't take much steps to follow. So nurse and the team, they take a major steps to control the patient so that they are saved and the complications are being prevented. Yeah, and this is the picture. It portrays in the form of a caterpillar, like different aspects of management. And this final poster, it promotes the self-care, what all the nurse does in the clinics, and how the patient takes care of them, and what is their self-role in controlling the diabetes. So we also had slogan competition. So the theme for the slogan competition was COVID and diabetes. We had total of 90 participants from all over CMC, and the few prize winning slogans are just coming in the next few slides. So the slogan was insulin shots or vaccine shots, awareness gained, in ignorance lost, educate one, educate all. And this was very nice, like better to control sugar than a ventilator, better to wear a mask than a freezer box. So stand against the junk food, stand against the laziness, automatically your body will fight against COVID and diabetes. So with N95 mask, we can prevent COVID, and with the MCR footwear, we can prevent the footwear ulcer. Was one of the slogan which were the highlights of the events. So thank you, Anana.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Ruth. That was really nice in terms of the message and the communication to the community. So now I hand it over to Swamiji for ensuring the next part of the program. So I'm stopping my screen, and over to you, Swamiji, for taking the program forward.
Once again, my warm wishes. So proud of my diet champs. So proud of our diet champs. So proud of ourselves that we are part of this program to witness this amazing, wonderful performances in the form of activity, in the form of paintings, in the form of sayings. And one of the wonderful comment I like from our participant audience, Patanjali Maharshi will be very happy to witness this. Yes, all the children, adults, the younger one, the older one, we should all lead such a life that our great rishis, our great teachers will feel happy and bless us. So thank you for all the wonderful comments from all our esteemed audience who are there to support our Dia champs. And Swami Vivekananda said, we get what we deserve. हमको वही मिलता है जो हमारे अंदर पाने का काबिल क्षमता हमने अपने अंदर उत्पन्न की है. Life teaches us many things. Few things we learn by good things and few by some bad things. Few things we learn when people appreciate. Few things we learn when our elders scold us to show the right path. Similarly, nature sometimes forces us with some blows to learn good things. So I call all our diabetic champions as yogis, rishis. A yogi, a rishi is not just a religious word. This word belongs to whole humanity. The best practices, the best discipline, one who follows, he becomes yogi. Yogi Bhavarjuna. Yogo dukkha bhavati, dukkhaha. When you practice yoga, when you discipline your life, you are free from all the sufferings. End of all sufferings, you get the joy within. That's what the greatest challenge which nature had given to us, which all our children keep on saying, blessings in disguise. हाँ, हमको डायबिटीज हुआ, लेकिन डायबिटीज होने के बाद हम अच्छे हैं. सो यही सबका मन की बात हमने आपके सामने रखा. These are the feelings I feel definitely everybody is having within them when they see the performances by these extraordinary boys and girls, Dia champs. Once again, my heartfelt thanks, my love, my gratitude, my thanks. What words I want to use, I don't know. So hats off for all the great performance. Of course, the team leaders from AIMS Rishikesh, CMC Vellore, Kerli Belgaum, Dr. Mahesh and his team, who has supported all these diabetic champions by DSME, Diabetes Self-Management Education, with their support, with technical support, emotional support, and their family who have been with them. So nice to see all the wonderful videos, and of course, Anirban Datta from Cerimed, who made all this smooth flow without any disturbance. Continuously we could enjoy. So by the grace of the Lord, we had this wonderful morning. Once again, on behalf of all, first my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our children and all the team. Here we close the first session in which we said, yes, a type 1 diabetic child can do anything and everything that a non-diabetic child does. Type 1 diabetes cannot be a hindrance in achieving the goals that I have set in for. Dream big, become big. सिर्फ सपना देखने से नहीं होता, सपना के लिए प्रयत्न करना पड़ता है. करो और पाओ कृपा. Self effort and grace follows. That's what the example led by our children. Here we conclude the World Diabetes Day performances. November is the month for creating an awareness about diabetes, its preventive aspects, and managing properly your blood sugars, what it can do. That is the live performance. A life can inspire one more life. You are leading a role model life with diabetes. You are inspiration for many. So, thank you once again. Now, we are going to move to the next part of our program, which is very vital when it comes to diabetes management. When I say diabetes, type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, gestational diabetes. As long as the blood sugars are well controlled with diet and exercise, those who are borderline diabetes, they don't need medicine. That happens in type 2 diabetes. When their body is not producing sufficient insulin, they will take insulin from outside. So, there is not much difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes when body fails to produce insulin even in type 2 diabetes. And in gestational diabetes, we all doctors advise to be on insulin. So, insulin is life for those whose body is not producing insulin. When I say life, that which runs life, the prana shakti, the energy. So, our body has got some laziness. Maybe my pancreas has become lazy and it's not producing insulin. I take insulin from outside. So, that's what all our type 1 diabetic children are doing it regularly, punctually. Please note the words. Regularity and punctuality. What is regularity? Every day you have to do without fail. No holiday, but a holy day. No holiday, but a holy day. So that's what regularity. Punctuality, सही समय पे करना है, उसी टाइम में करना है. 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock, not 9 o'clock. So body mind clock, following the body mind clock, punctuality. So regularity and punctuality in taking insulin, which is life support. So now it's an open discussion, which will be led by our experts, and the discussion will be done among those people who are doing it. So my diachams, who are living a very healthy and happy life by understanding diabetes, by understanding the role of insulin, the need of insulin. So now what motivates them to take this insulin regularly and punctually? This is a question we all have as a doctor, as a monk, as a layman, and people like Anirban who are specially interested to support the unique, extraordinary children. So we are all very much keen to listen from Dr. Asha and her team. The next important discussion, what keeps us motivated to take insulin regularly and punctually. Over to Dr. Asha. Dr. Asha is a very renowned endocrinologist from CMC Vellore, and I respect her dedication, her love for these diabetic children and family and the team she has. And along with Dr. Asha, we have team from AIMS Rishikesh and CMC KL Belgaum and our special loving friend Dr. Mahesh. Over to Dr. Asha to conduct this program. Namaste.
Namaste Swamiji, thank you. It was a wonderful performance by the Diachams, which is proof to the encouraging words which are always said, people with diabetes can do anything. It's just that you need a bit of discipline, and that's all. So and you have all shown that you can achieve anything, and so many wonderful performances by children from Rishikesh and Belgaum. So I would like to go back to the basics of insulin, and that will take us through today's discussion. So, are you able to see my screen? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we can see. We can see.
So, let's go back to the basics as to how the body handles the food we eat, and then we understand the role of insulin. Insulin is required for everybody. So when we eat food, the food gets digested and the carbohydrates get broken down into glucose. This glucose gets into the blood from our intestine, and this glucose goes to the pancreas as well. Once it goes to the pancreas normally produces insulin, and this insulin is the key. Insulin is the key which opens the doors of the cells in the body so that the glucose enters all the cells of the body to give us energy. So only when glucose enters the cells, we get energy. Just because we have glucose in the blood doesn't mean we get energy. So the key to open the door for all the cells in the body to convert glucose into energy is insulin. Everybody requires insulin. I require insulin, you require insulin, everybody requires insulin. But in type 1 diabetes, the problem is due to some autoimmune process, the insulin producing cells in your pancreas are destroyed. Because of that, when you take food, you are not able to produce insulin within your own pancreas. But now we have insulin available. In the modern days, we have various good injection devices as well, with which you can inject the right amount of insulin by understanding what food you're taking. So this is all you need. God has given us a brain which is functioning well, and so with that, we can understand what type of food we are taking, how much carbohydrate, how much protein and fat in that, and based on that, take the appropriate amount of insulin by learning from your diabetes team. And once you do that, you will be able to live a fully normal life because you have got the keys. The keys are there. So with that, your insulin will open the doors of all the cells in your body to utilize the glucose and give you a good amount of energy and do the performances like what we saw today, such exuberant dances. Okay. So now I request Dr. Ravikant from AIIMS Rishikesh to share a few of his thoughts on any challenges which people with type 1 diabetes face in taking insulin in day-to-day life. Over to Dr. Ravikant.
AIIMS Rishikesh.
Swamiji,
Rishikesh, Dr. Kriti.
Swamiji, I'm not able to see Dr. Ravikant in the...
Dr. Kriti from AIIMS Rishikesh. Meanwhile, we can go to Mahesh.
Yeah, Dr. Mahesh is there. Yes, Dr. Mahesh.
Dr. Mahesh, can you please share some of your thoughts on the concept of insulin and the challenges for taking it daily?
Good morning, everybody. I think it is one of the wonderful initiatives in India that we are able to connect to each other. We wanted to do this for a long time, but I think last 1 year, all of us have digitalized ourselves, which was probably not possible maybe 2-3 years ago. So let me directly tell you that certain things that the patients feel is that what is the problem that it has affected me? Why me? So the most common question the most parents or whatever they ask is nan magu yaak bantu, mere bacche ko hi kyun hua? Why did only my child get it? So see, there are certain questions for which we will never be able to get 100% satisfactory answer. So for example, why am I a man? Why am I a girl? Why is my father short? Why is my mother tall? So these are questions that you will never be able to find an answer to. So the question is not why me? How did I get it? Because I have got it, what can I do to overcome what I have got? So unless you get rid of this question, why me, you will never be able to take the next step. So we always try to tell our children that it is not about why me. It is about what can I do because I have got this. So you must understand that we have to first acknowledge that the patient and their parents and what they feel is true. It's like, Nanik Beja, I am feeling very bad. I am feeling very sorry. We should acknowledge that, yes, it is okay to feel bad. It is okay to feel sorry. Because sometimes what we usually tend to tell is that it's okay, don't worry, don't get upset, nothing will happen, all those things. But there is nothing wrong in telling that I don't feel good. because I feel that, sometimes what happens is that we try to not ignore that emotion and try to suppress that. Suppressing that emotion is going to increase its internal realization more and more, and the patient starts to rebel, or the children or their parents think that, okay, the doctor is telling kuch nahi hoga, kuch nahi hoga, kuch nahi hoga. No, it is not that kuch nahi hoga. Anything can happen, but we can prevent it. So the most important thing that we have to, what we try to encourage in our group, or in our what we have learned in last 3-5 years, is that the first step is to remove that you are not alone. Once the so they feel that, okay, this is not only my problem, similar problems are being faced by others. This is the first thing. You should all remember that there are more than 3 million, that is around 30 lakh children all over the world with diabetes, type 1 diabetes, and there are 80 million more people with type 2 diabetes. So diabetes is a very common problem. Some require an insulin, some don't require insulin. Insulin, like Swamiji said, is a life-saving chemical hormone that is unfortunately not there in our body when we have type 1 diabetes. So the first thing that we have to do is acknowledge that it is a problem. Second thing, we have to immediately reassure that you are not alone. It is not the problem that only you are facing. Third thing is that you should try to do whatever the child can do and wants to do. It is just we have to slightly do some modifications in order to achieve what we want. So what I usually tell is, whatever you want, you can do. Because we have seen type 1 diabetes kids who can climb Mount Everest, have won Olympic medals, they have become senior doctors, and may carried their life for 50-60 years. We have a United Kingdom Prime Minister who had type 1 diabetes. We have a tennis player who has type 1 diabetes. We have a cricket player who has type 1 diabetes. So there is no profession that they cannot go ahead and do what they want. So the moment the baseline is you are not alone. Second thing is that whatever you want in your life, you can. So what is the difference between you and others? The only difference between you and others is you have to take insulin. So the problem comes is, why should I take insulin? If you don't have something, you have to take it from outside. We wear clothes, we eat food 3 times because that is required for our body. We don't question, why should I eat food? Why should I breathe? Why should I drink water? It is an essential thing. So that question we don't ask. So in the same way, you have to add insulin to food, air, and water. Insulin. So for most people, it will be 3 items that you don't ask questions. For type 1 diabetes, you have to say 4 items that you should not ask questions. You need insulin, you need water, you need air, you need food, you have to wear clothes. So 3-4 essential things that we don't ask anybody any questions like, why should I do? In the same way, you have to add insulin to your life, because the moment you add insulin to your life and you stop asking why, immediately you will be able to look at life as something that you want to do, and to achieve that you have to carry out things in a particular way. For example, you have to travel from one place to another. You may have to take a 2-wheeler, you may have to take a bus, you may have to take a car, or you may take an aeroplane. But in order to reach that place, you will choose whichever is the method that will make you reach there. So keep a goal in your mind. So once you keep a goal, like I want to become a doctor, I want to become a lawyer, I want to become a cricketer, I want to become a swimming champion, whatever you want, you can do. So there is no question of you can't do anything. Once you realize that you can do, then automatically we have to reduce the amount of burden that you have in yourself to minimal thinking that, okay, I have to take insulin. Next thing is that you have to just keep in mind, the last final thing is that, how long in a day should I be spending on insulin? And if you think practically, we have 24 hours in a day. In that 24 hours, most likely you will be eating over a period of 1 to 1.5 hours. That is around 90 minutes. In 24 hours, 90 minutes you will be spending on eating. Before you eat, you just have to look at how much you are eating, and for that quantity you have to correspondingly match the amount of insulin that you are taking. So how much time is spent taking insulin? In 24 hours, maximum you will be spending is 4 minutes. Do you think 4 minutes of hard work is worth for 24 hours? 4 मिनट, 24 घंटे में 4 मिनट आप अगर अपने आप के लिए थोड़ा सा कष्ट सहन लेंगे तो आप जिंदगी में जो भी करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. So always tell is that look at it as a 4 minutes per day you are having a problem. So I think, is it not worth having 4 minutes of problem to have a 24 hour smooth period? Because why I'm telling is 4 minutes is you have to check the sugar, take the insulin. For all that, maximum you will be spending is only 1 minute to check the sugar and take insulin. If you're taking 4 times a day, it is only 4 minutes. Maximum you can take 5 minutes. 5 मिनट के कष्ट के लिए अगर आप सह लेंगे, if you can bear the pain for 5 minutes, entire 24 hours will go smoothly. Because two most important things in type 1 diabetes is checking the sugar, taking the insulin according to what you eat. And as you grow older and older, you will realize what is that when you eat, what happens to your body. And most of the children who have type 1 diabetes, after 1 year to 2 years, their life becomes very smooth because they have spent time learning about their body. So the first 1 year, you have to put hard work. First 1 year, if you put hard work and you reach a stage where your HbA1c is under control, you understand how much you are eating, what time you are eating, you have a discipline, then automatically it becomes a sort of something that is routine. So once you make it routine, then you have to every day, whenever you feel bad, you have to say, okay, मैं 5 मिनट के लिए अपने आप को कष्ट सहन लूंगा. I will spare 5 minutes feeling. If you want to feel bad for 5 minutes, it is okay. You want to feel depressed for 5 minutes, it is okay. There is nothing wrong in feeling bad or depressed. But that is restricted only to 5 minutes because that is the only 5 minutes that you will be spending with some amount of least amount of pain that you may have in the entire 24 hours. So it is very important that you realize that 5 minutes of pain is worth 24 hours in a day and look at it as only 1 day at a time. If you look at lifelong, there are so many things that everybody will have some or the other problem. Nobody in this earth is living without a problem because this earth is meant to give you problems. Otherwise, we would have never been on this earth. If we are on this earth, it is because we will be given problems. That is the rule. An exception is somebody who has become a yogi. So our goal is from bogi to becoming yogi. We have to go through this process of problems and pains that will refine us, reform us to become good people and become stronger people. And in order to do that, if insulin needs to be taken every day 5 minutes with sugar monitoring, it is worth. So my sentence will be 5 minutes of pain in a day is worth 24 hours of pleasure. If we can remember that all our problems will look smaller, and the moment we make things smaller, we will be able to do it in a smoother way without any stress in mind and our brain. Thank you very much for a patient listening.
Thank you for a wonderful, concise message. Science and spirituality at their peak are one. And a doctor, an endocrinologist, talking from the scientific point of view and reaching the pinnacle of spirituality, bhogi to yogi. When you are in this world, you are here to face problems. That's where Swami Vivekananda said, this world is a great gymnasium where you have come to make yourself strong. Problems are many, solution is one. What is that solution? Discipline yourself. Make yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually strong. That's the goal of life. Yogi Bhavarjuna. Bhagavan Krishna in the Gita, keeping example of Arjuna as a representative of all the humanity, said, you should all become yogi, free from suffering. Knowledge is power. Thank you for your wonderful words with knowledge and which are very much practical. Look the problem as 1 day. In 24 hours, if you are able to take pain for 5 minutes, pain in other words, to face the challenge. If you are ready for that, you can lead 24 hours free from pain. What a wonderful practical message. And based on the work, that beautiful work he is doing, and he has been a source of inspiration for all the children and support, and is always there to support. What a noble soul. Mahesh, wish my best wishes, and always we continue to work together to back up this great team. Now I have got Dr. Ravikant and Dr. Kriti First, I request Dr. Kriti from AIMS Rishikesh, and then we will introduce Dr. Ravikant. Kriti, please talk about yourself and your message.
नमस्कार सभी लोगों को। मैं डॉक्टर कृति जोशी हूँ और मैं सहचार्य हूँ एम्स ऋषिकेश में। मैं हिंदी में इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि हमारे ज़्यादातर जो हमारे बच्चे हैं जो हमारे पास आते हैं वो हिंदी में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हैं, इसलिए मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगी।
At the same time, I request you to give your message because this is DiaChamps India. People from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, many may not follow. Can mix both Hindi and English. Yeah, please. Please.
Okay. I think डॉक्टर महेश ने जितने बातें एज डॉक्टर्स हम बताते हैं वो सब बता दी हैं, और आप सभी लोगों को वर्ल्ड डायबिटीज डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। बहुत ही अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स हुए हैं आज सुबह। Swami ji, I'm sorry, I'm still going to continue to speak in a bit of Hindi because none of my patients will
do it
really
in
understand
two portions. One portion you think that you're talking to somebody in Tamil Nadu. The other portion you can do it in Hindi. Both. Make it yourself free. Yeah, please.
तो मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लेना चाहूंगी because today's day is not about doctors, it's about the children, it's all about you. और ये साल और अगला साल भी आप सबके लिए बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि आप सब जानते हैं कि अगले साल 100 साल हो जाएंगे इंसुलिन का विज्ञान या इंसुलिन का डिस्कवरी होते हुए। तो बहुत बहुत बधाई आप सभी लोगों को। ह्यूज कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू एवरीबडी हु टुक पार्ट इन द प्रोग्राम। द परफॉर्मेंसेस वर एक्सीलेंट एंड आई थिंक दे जस्ट डेमोन्स्ट्रेट व्हाट चिल्ड्रन विद diabetes are capable of, and which is just, I think the underlying message is very simple, that you are healthy, you are well, you are perfect in your own way, and there is nothing which is keeping you or stopping you from achieving your potential. आप सभी बच्चे बहुत ही बिल्कुल चमत्कारी हैं। आप सब बच्चे, आप सब में बहुत क्षमता है अपना सारा पोटेंशियल अचीव करने की, और सिर्फ ये छोटी सी चीज डायबिटीज आपको किसी भी चीज को पाने के लिए जिंदगी में रोकना नहीं चाहिए। और आई थिंक बाकी सारी बातें बहुत सारी डॉक्टर महेश ने इससे पहले सब समझाई बहुत अच्छी तरीके से। मेन चीज आई थिंक इस प्रोग्राम से जो सबको प्रोत्साहन मिल रहा है वो इस बात का मिल रहा है कि हम में से कोई भी अकेला नहीं है। बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो रोज ही रोज डायबिटीज के साथ जूझ रहे हैं और हमारे देश में 1 लाख बच्चे हैं। तो आप सब एक दूसरे को एक ग्रुप मानिए। यू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ अ बिग लार्ज सपोर्ट ग्रुप। वी आर देयर ऑलवेज एज मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स टू सपोर्ट यू, but I think these kind of groups are excellent because they just because in the end we as doctors can only support you to some extent. So I think the support that comes from peer groups is extremely important in building morale and in building a sense of community and a sense of feeling that you can do it. तो अपनी जिंदगी ऐसे जिए जिसमें कि आपको अपनी जिंदगी को डायबिटीज के आसपास मोड़ना ना पड़े, बल्कि जिंदगी को ऐसा जिए कि आपकी डायबिटीज आपकी जिंदगी के साथ घुल जाए। सो डोंट लिव योर लाइफ इन सच अ वे दैट योर लाइफ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड डायबिटीज। In fact, your diabetes should gel in with your life in such a way that it's a seamless transition, that every part of the care that you do for yourself every day doesn't feel like something extra that you have to do. It becomes a part of your life. So just as Dr. Mahesh previously said, when you get up in the morning, you brush your teeth. Other than other children who probably don't do a finger prick, you just do an additional finger prick and an insulin injection along with brushing your teeth and taking a bath. So जैसे बाकी बच्चे अब सुबह उठ के ब्रश करते हैं और नहाते हैं, आप ब्रश करते हैं और नहाते हैं और साथ में एक शुगर की जांच करते हैं और इंसुलिन लगाते हैं। और इस सब के लिए वापस आप सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई। आप सभी बच्चे बहुत ही बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं, अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं। प्लीज कभी भी अकेला ना सोचिए अपने आप को। मायूस होना, दुखी होना ये भी नॉर्मल है। अगर आप ऐसा फील करते हैं आके हमसे कभी बात करिए। जो आप लोगों ने प्रदर्शन दिखाया है इससे जस्ट यही पता चल रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे कितने अमेजिंग, कितने ब्रिलियंट हैं, और आप सब जरूर ही जिंदगी में आगे जाके बहुत ही अच्छा करेंगे। और एक दूसरे से प्रोत्साहन लीजिए और ऐसा अच्छा काम करते रहिए। नमस्कार, जय हिंद, हैप्पी वर्ल्ड डायबिटीज डे सभी लोगों को। ये हमारी पूरी एम्स ऋषिकेश फैमिली की तरफ से। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, Dr. Kriti ji. Your words of encouragement reminds me the quote of Swami Vivekananda: "Each soul is potentially divine. The goal is to manifest the divinity." हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे दुख की घटना, ये संसार यानी कभी दुख कभी सुख, ये चलता रहता है, लेकिन उसके परे आपके भीतर जो शक्ति है उसको पहचानो, उस आनंद में जीना सीखो। उसी तरह आपको डायबिटीज के साथ रहना है, लेकिन डायबिटीज के साथ साथ आपके भीतर वो शक्ति है, वो ज्ञान है, उसके साथ जीना सीखो। डायबिटीज अपने आप मैनेज हो जाएगा। सो यू हैव गॉट द डिवाइन नॉलेज विद इन यू। इफ यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज योर सेल्फ विद दैट, you can easily manage your diabetes. Wonderful message again. Bhoga to yoga, science to spirituality. It's a wonderful platform. Now I request Dr. Ravikant, who has joined us, to give his message. Dr. Ravikant, please.
Thank you very much, Swamiji. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Swamiji, for the nice, wonderful online workshop, specifically meant to address the our future rather than children. They are our future, and the potential future who is basically harboring diabetes within them, type 1 diabetes within them. My message will be very simple and straightforward. As a healthcare provider or the custodian of health, as a doctor, as a guide, I must these youngsters, friendly faces who are suffering from type 1 diabetes mellitus. We are all together so far as the fight to diabetes is concerned. And the children who are, of course, our future needs to be shaped in such a manner that they become strong, not physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually as well, that you already shared with them. Now, to harbor these goals, I think our children or our India Diet Champs, the concept that Swamiji has, few days back only conceptualized, and I believe this is a wonderful move. Seeing friendly faces suffering from type 1 diabetes mellitus across India, pan India, will be a wonderful job to take, and just to have these children with us will of course add power to the program. Our diet champs are smart, and this is of course the mnemonic used for management plan as per National Institute of Clinical Excellence by UK. The SMART goals means the SMART S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A is for achievable, R is for realistic, and T is time limited. So all our diet champs must understand what is SMART, and they are smart kids because they have inbuilt SMART system that non-diabetic children do not have that SMART inbuilt system. So I mean, stick to your SMART goal. Do take insulin every day as you are taking. It's a part and parcel of your life, and facing challenges and overcoming them and attaining a new height which other people who of course are not suffering from type 1 diabetes or otherwise diabetes mellitus is a real goal for you to attain. And so far as spiritual health is concerned, medical health is concerned, Swamiji is always there. We as doctors or healthcare providers, as well as policy makers, and of course the program implementers, we are sitting at AIIMS Rishikesh, me, Dr. Kriti Joshi, and few others who are working in the field of diabetes and endocrinology. Of course, we are always available for any kind of a help that we can decipher to you people in a bigger sense. And I must again repeat these same words and reiterate again and again that the fight against diabetes, you are not alone. We are always with you, and probably we are there to bring new and new paths for you to cover maybe insulin today, maybe something else in future that is awaiting a wonderful, bright, colorful future for all you children. With these words, I withdraw myself from the message, and thanks again, Swamiji, for giving me opportunity and to be amongst with you all. Thank you all. Thank you all very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ravikant. Thank you, AIMS. Yes, we are all together. Your words of love and affection are a great source of inspiration. Now I request Kaylee Belgam, Violet sister, to just briefly give her message from Kaylee Belgam, so that Dr. Asha will start conducting the program ahead with the real message from the diabetic champions, how they feel.
We have few kids here who would like to say some few words to you. There is Shifa Desai, Avdut Shindre.